To use the VLOOKUP function, we have the roll number, name, total marks, and the last one is grade. We need to find out the result by using the roll number. Like here I only need to use the VLOOKUP function like equals to VLOOKUP, bracket open, and in the bracket we need to put the 4 data which includes lookup value. So I select the roll number cell for our lookup value, comma, then table array, so I select the whole table data, then comma, it says column, so we need to find the name and the name is in the second column, so type 2, comma, in the last one we type 0 for the exact result. But before pressing the enter, we need to make the table array address constant and we press the F4 to make it constant. Now press here enter, so it gives nothing available. Now if I write the roll number for the mark like 1001, so it gives me the result of mark. In the same way, if I need to find out the name of the roll number 1005, so it gives me the name of the employee which is Steve. This is how you can use the VLOOKUP function. You can also change the data, like I need to find out the total marks, so the marks is in the third column, so we only need to change the column number which is third column and press enter, so you get the value as well. Now you get in dollars, so change it into simple, and for the simple you need to write here only or select the general. So we got the marks of the 1005. Now if I need to find out the marks of the mark, I only need to use the roll number which is 1001, so it gives me 88, which is the marks of the mark. In the similar way, you can change the data, like we need to find out the grade, and grade is in the fourth column, so we simply need to change the column number to 4, which is the grade column, and type here 4 and press enter, so you got the B grade. Like 1001, it's reflecting the B grade. Again, if I need to find out the grade of 1002, so it reflects C. Similarly, if I change the value of the grade, like if I put here like small d, so you can see here it will reflect a small d in the result. This is the power of the VLOOKUP, and this is how we can make the grades as well.